Hi everyone, we're at 41 Stoneridge Road. This wonderful 6-bedroom bungalow is situated on a great lot, and a great feature is the in-ground pool. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the foyer, open to the large living room. It leads into the formal dining room. The eat-in kitchen is spacious with a lot of cabinet space, and is open to the very large family room with gas fireplace. The dreamy primary bedroom is bright and it has a 4-piece ensuite. The main level has 3 additional good-sized bedrooms, a 4-piece bath, a 2-piece bath, and main level laundry. The lower level has a movie theater and a games room. There's a gym and 2 additional lower level bedrooms, one with a 5-piece ensuite. You will love the large deck and the gazebo area, all overlooking the in-ground pool.